it's Tony. You're in Pop Pop's workshop, and we're talking edge treatments on your cutting boards, serving boards, charcuterie boards, whatever it is that you're making in your shop. Normally, when we're done, we'll take our little sanding mouse, we'll throw some of our 3M Cubitron on there, extract, and just kind of lightly round over the edge a little bit by hand. And that works great. It feels good. But today, I broke out the Freud 34 114 3/8 round over bit, 1/4 inch shank. It's a great bit. I love it. And so what I did is I did 2 edge treatments on this board. I went a little bit deeper, or yeah, a little more exposed bit, so that I could get that little shadow line, that edge. And that's going to let us, as it's sitting there with the feet on it, it's going to have just a little bit of interest on the bottom. And then I rolled that back, recessed it a little bit, and made just a light round over. And I really like how the corners came out on that. They look really good. So we tried that in the shop today. So the question is, what edge treatments are you using? I'm thinking about getting myself a chamfer bit, because I think it might be nice on the bottom to put a little slight chamfer. We'll try that on another board at some point. So hopefully you're having a good time in the shop. You're trying different treatments. You're making some fun stuff. And we appreciate you taking the time to stop in, watch the video. If it wouldn't be too much trouble if you could subscribe to the channel, we'd appreciate that too. But as always, remember, you can do this.